This week at Smiggle, the Faves collection is our favourite collection. Today we're just doing a quick video to show you some Smiggle pencil cases that were the favourites this week. We were looking at these Faves. Are they called Faves? Yeah. Faves pencil case. So we've got this big style. Yeah.
And it's got unicorns all over it.
It has too. And there's a couple of zippers on the front here to hold some other little things as well as inside. And then the other one is this matching pencil case, which has a really cute sort of metallic unicorn on the front. Unicorns are the favourite at the moment, aren't they? The matching backpack. Cool. And so you've got your main pocket here. You've got another little pocket across the top here, and you've got another pocket along the front with a cute little star. It's got some glittery sequins on there. Oh yes, and you put the doggy key in. That's pretty cute. And then down here we've also got another little pouch and the unicorn.
And a badge.
Yeah, and a badge, that's right. And that's a really cool badge. That was from Smiggle as well. And it says, "It's school to be kind, Smiggle." That's pretty cool. And then you've got a little water bottle carrier on this side.
Yeah.
And then at the back we've got these nicely padded straps, little clips here to adjust the length of the backpack. And on this side we've got another little mesh pocket as well. So this is part of the Smiggle Faves collection, which is one of our favourites this year.
Yay.
One more thing we forgot. This one doesn't entirely match. Similar colours, but the unicorns were another favourite on this one. This one actually comes with the hard pencil case, and it has a little unicorn notebook, a ruler, a pencil sharpener, a eraser, some highlighters, some two leaded pencils, a clicker pen which has different colours through there, and it also has some gel pens. That's a nice little set as well. And we hope you find some cool things in Smiggle as well. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.